The holistic progress cards, there is a lot of interest in this. And this is actually, there is a lot of international interest also on this, because this is the first time when a country is saying that every school will ensure that every child's unique potential is reflected in the card. I want to just give the example of my own children who have studied in Mahatma Gandhi International School in Ahmedabad, where they have holistic report cards. And I remember the first time when I received my younger daughter's card in class 6, she joined there in class 6. It was a 60-page report card, and it had no marks. It only described every feature, every uniqueness of my daughter. And I cherish all those report cards even today, because I don't see that those report cards have gone wrong anywhere.
We are talking about the holistic progress card, and I have two accomplished speakers who are achievers in their own fields in which they perform, and that is Dr. Anju from the Mahatma Gandhi International School in Ahmedabad, who had given us a scintillating presentation yesterday on the toy-related pedagogy, and which has sort of enlightened many of us to sort of understand that these could be very essential manners in which we address the teaching learning process.
So let me first begin with the idea of ahimsa in assessment. The school that I have founded in Ahmedabad is called Mahatma Gandhi International School. And when we talk about ahimsa as a tool, then this must be also there in the manner in which we assess child. This is the beginning of the reporting, the progress card which is given to the child. And this actually runs into 30, 40, 50 pages with documentation of the children's work, etc. And there are three things which we did right from the beginning when the school was established 22 years ago, which was first was learners evaluating themselves, then they're being evaluated by their peers, by the parents and the teachers. So in our school we call them initiators, because we thought that if you want to kill something, you teach it. But you can create opportunities to learn. We're initiating the group into learning experiences. So in our search for a new word, we chose the word initiators. What we are doing is we're celebrating the uniqueness of the child. And look at how happy this little boy Anirudh is. He's holding his little brochure, and the feedback has to be a validating feedback for the child. The NEP talks about assessment for learning and assessment for human development. So if you're talking about a real human development, then the validating part of assessment must be there, so that our classrooms are transformed into joyful experiential learning spaces and equity is maintained. Thank you very much.
परीक्षा इस तरह होनी चाहिए कि छात्रों पर इसका बेवजह का दबाव न पड़े, और कोशिश ये है कि केवल एक परीक्षा से छात्र छात्राओं का मूल्यांकन न किया जाए, बल्कि सेल्फ असेसमेंट, पीयर टू पीयर असेसमेंट, ये छात्रों के विकास के विभिन्न पहलुओं का मूल्यांकन हो। इसलिए राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति में मार्कशीट की उसकी जगह होलिस्टिक रिपोर्ट कार्ड, इस पर बल दिया गया है, इसकी बात कही गई है।
Children enjoy the fact that their unique capabilities are being pointed out by the self and by the peer group and by their teachers and parents in a non-threatening atmosphere. As Dr. Anju Shazo said today, that a progress card has to reflect ahimsa. It cannot reflect hinsa. The child cannot feel threatened, cannot feel as if it is meant for punishment. And that is what the HPC is all about. So these were very, very revealing sessions. Thank you very much.